In this next video, I'm going to be talking about how do you actually start or create an AI agent. This will be a relatively short video, but it is important, so please pay attention. So when you're starting an AI agent, you can start it in a number of key ways. The easiest, most simplest, and most intuitive way is literally to start it like this. Just go to your agent UI and just send a message and get the ball rolling. This is the easiest and standard way to start AI agents, but depending on your use cases, it might not be the right way. And in this dashboard, you basically want the AI to monitor your costs. When the cost you spent in a day exceeds a certain amount, the AI is going to try to dig into the logs, explain why, and send you an email so you're on top of things before things get really bad. So here's an example of a dashboard. Now, you might have an AI agent like this that literally just polls the dashboard. Every minute, it just looks at this dashboard, looks at the costs, and then repeat. Looks at the costs, does the loop, repeat. And it does it over and over again. That is actually a great way of starting an AI agent. You can start an AI agent in some more complicated ways, like via an API call, or using a webhook, or on a cron schedule. Within Nexus Trade, you can literally create trading strategies, and within the strategies, it creates AI agents. I have this launch agent strategy right here, and what it does is it launches this agent when these conditions are true. And so there are a number of ways to start AI agents. You can have a scheduler, an API call, manually, but you have to at least be aware. How do you start your AI agent? It's overlooked, but it is important.